Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see here, we are just taking a quick look at Vechain. Before we begin, please do like and subscribe. Really appreciate all your support. So as we can see here, altcoins have been getting a little bit slaughtered over the past week or so with some fairly decent retracements on a lot of these bigger altcoins. We can see here that Vechain has essentially had quite a significant retracement here, coming back down towards this previous key area of support that I did talk about. Obviously Vechain has been struggling at the minute, I do think, in basically getting a bounce off of some of these lows. We did have a few nice bounces inside the range here, but we can see we've got the deviation here, and then you can see the deviation here as well, followed by a little bit of a back test and another rollover. Vechain really overall in this bear market has been struggling to have a decent bounce, hasn't it? You can see here we've just been going down and down and down and down. We came down here, I think that was a helicopter. We came down here, we actually came up and made a new swing high, but we are still chopping sideways at the very least, and still looking pretty damn bearish, to be honest. We've really not had that much of a bounce for Vechain at all so far, despite, you know, since the start of the year. Obviously we did have a bounce off this low, but really it's still looking quite bearish and not making the, you know, those bullish steps that quite a few cryptos have actually been making since the start of the year. So obviously Bitcoin looking a lot more bullish than this as well, so really we are waiting for money to flow into these altcoins so Vechain can have its time to shine. Obviously I also got stopped out on my long position that I took at the bottom of this range here again, but I probably will be looking at taking maybe a small long position if we hit this low here. Obviously this is a little bit of an overextension of these previous levels. You can see the price going below these levels here is getting bought up right now, so we'll wait and see what happens. But I think if we touch this level, I'd be looking to take a long heading up back into this area here. But until then, we will see what happens. Obviously, right now, Vechain, as I said, looking quite bearish. But as always, we'll wait and see what happens in the future. I'm just biding my time right now, waiting and seeing what happens. Got a long-term positions in a lot of these cryptos. And really, right now, just making small trades and waiting to see what happens next. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.